Alright, it's January 12th, 2011. Received about 20 inches of snow. Stepping outside. That is our two cars. That's a Saturn. It's a Crown Victoria. As you can see, the drift covers virtually both cars on the front end. There's another drift completely covering the front sidewalk. I would say it's about 3 feet high. Dogs went out earlier and they didn't get very far. They couldn't move through the snow. Garbage can is covered in snow. It's on the side. Still snowing. So, there you have it. I'm going to walk to the back here, to the garage, and let's see what we have in the back here, by the back porch. That's our grill. Another drift here. Got to be 2.5, close to 3 feet by the door there. Those are tracks of the dogs as they plowed through the snow. So that is the great snowstorm of 2011. Won't forget this one for a while.